107 pounds of passion, gunpowder, packed artillery rounds. This is me, stripped down, my delivery sounds like I'm pillow talking secrets to a newlywed crowd. This is me, fake humility, keeping me proud. How I'm preaching all my modesty, ironically loud. And this is me, bold speaking, Christ teaching profound. But I'm that Levite, passing you right there on the ground. You think you're getting something, but it's really a persona. Pull my hoodie of words over me like Unabomber. Everybody swearing that their styles are plexiglass, and how they get the US Open like a smash from Steffi Graf. I smile and got to laugh, my raps are just a mask. My freestyle's trash if you really got to ask. I'd like to let you in, but my ego wouldn't let me really test the market, cause the market might reject me.
You gotta put yourself out there, leave it exposed. Let them know the child behind the b-boy pose. Show them what you're made of under your clothes. The pride test the market cause we hungry to grow. Man, tis a pitiful filling the space with syllables. I'm taller than the habits and vices we feel are killing you. Pillaging the aisles and the clearance facts for starters. For a style that we can rock now for under a couple dollars. Rock a narrow path. Sweat the oldies with every paragraph. Already know the answer they given, but still I had to ask, where did the love go? Cackalack, Atlanta to Halifax. Say it one time for every matter of fact. Industry is half trash and stumbling to run itself into the ground game. The gun is in and fun is out. We love the South, but the world thinks we dumb as rocks. Below the Mason-Dixon line, meth labs and stunning cops. The pride punishing the fall, block out your rainbow. Masters rocking you and your partnership at the same show. Bottom line, get ready cause we say so. Syntax and man-child, buddy boy, you know how the game
You
goes.
gotta put yourself out there, leave it exposed. Let them know the child behind the b-boy pose. Show them what you're made of under your clothes. Yo, the pride test the market cause we hungry to grow. I got a little bit of back down, whole lot of stand firm. Part my chest to let my heart be your lantern. It's out on a limb, rap so live in syntax. Care enough to bear it all, just to win souls back. This is more than spinning wax or ripping the track. This is man-child and me taking life to the mat. Cause I'm willing to go there and stare into the mirror if the fraud inside of me makes God a little clearer.
Fear a lot, I'm steering clear of nearly everything I counted on. I pirouette on serious, staying quiet to sounding off. I'm pounding out these verses in search of the perfect balance. The circus that I'm working in hurts from a lack of talent. Pal around with all my brethren, I'm heavenly when I speak. All the lessons that I'm teaching are leaving me when I sleep, but still I'm on it. Throw what I feel to whoever can catch it. Market subtle to the obvious about every 15 seconds.
You gotta put yourself out there, leave it exposed. Let them know the child behind the b-boy pose. Show them what you're made of under your clothes. Yo, the pride test the market cause we hungry to grow. You gotta put yourself out there, leave it exposed. Let them know the child behind the b-boy pose. Show them what you're made of under your clothes. Yo, the pride test the market cause we hungry to grow.